Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this cryptodad. In today's video, I'll be taking us through the Roqqu new event. The Roqqu wallet is doing an event presently, and they are giving out $3 USDT to the first 1,000 people to complete their KYC verification every day. They are giving out $3 worth of USDT to the first 1,000 people that complete their KYC verification every day. For you to claim this particular $3, you need to register on the Roqqu app. I already dropped the link to register here. You just need to click on the link. So when you click on the link, you'll be directed over to your browser. You need to enter your first name, your last name, and also your email address. Then you need to enter your phone number. So this particular event is for only Nigerians. This app is only entitled to Nigerians, so it's only for Nigerians. After you enter your phone number, you just need to enter your password. Then you need to enter your password again. When you are done filling all this, you just need to sign up for an account. And you can also sign up using your Google account. You just need to click on this Google account and also your Facebook account. So after you've registered, just need to go over to complete your verification. So I'll be taking us through on how to complete your verification right now. After you've registered, you can also go ahead to download the app from Play Store. Just need to go over to Play Store. You have to go over to Play Store. Then just search for the Roqqu app. You can just go ahead to install the app. I'll just be going back to the app. After you've downloaded the app, you just need to go ahead to log in, and you can also make a purchase of cryptocurrency on this app. You can purchase cryptocurrency. You just need to make a deposit. Then you can just go ahead to make a purchase of any cryptocurrency here. If you need a video on a deposit and also the withdrawal from this app, you just need to make a comment under the comment section for me to make a video on the deposits and also the withdrawal method. Before you can start making transactions on this app, you need to verify your account. You just need to come over to this setting. So you just need to click on this setting. After you've clicked on setting, you just need to go over to this verification. When you click on verification, you'll be seeing this BVN verification and also the name verification. So for you to get the instant $3, you just need to do the two verification. You have to do the BVN verification. You just need to enter your BVN here. Then just click on this verify BVN. When you paste in your BVN, you just need to go ahead to take a selfie video. This is the instruction you need to follow. My BVN has been successfully verified. To click on this continue. The next thing you have to do is you have to do the name verification. You have to come over to this verification. Then you need to click on this name. You just need to paste in your name here. After you paste in your name, you just need to click on this verify name. The name verification has been completed. I just need to go ahead to click on this close. Then I need to click on this continue. Immediately you've done these two verification, you'll be getting the $3 instantly to your account. So you'll be seeing the $3 at this particular USDT site. You'll be seeing it here. You can make instant sale of the $3. After you've sold, you just need to go ahead to make withdrawal. To get your referral link, you just need to come over to setting. Then you'll be seeing this referral. You just need to click on this referral. You'll be seeing your particular referral link here. You just need to copy. Just share your referral link to friends. When they register, you'll be getting 0.5% on their transactions. So I'll just be going back. For you to get the instant $3, you just need to verify your account. You have to do a complete verification. So after you've done that, you'll be seeing a particular $3 instantly to your USDT account. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Have a nice day guys.